there is a common famous understanding between the car manufacturers and bankers, financial institutions, to give more and more loans to individuals on vehicles. So this vehicle, whether it is going to help the borrower, that is the important question. Suppose an employee is there, he is earning a salary of 1.5 lakh per month. If he purchases a vehicle, maybe of 10 lakhs, so he has to pay installment of every month 10,000. Minimum 10 to 15,000 that vehicle, and another 10,000 for fuel cost, and another 5,000 for maintenance. How much is coming? 30,000. Out of 1.5 lakh, this 30,000 is going 20% for only for vehicle. What is the image you are getting? You are getting owner of a vehicle. That is the only image you are getting. So now under change circumstances, if you are an employee, you need not have a vehicle. You can go for Ola or Uber or any taxi vehicles if you want to use that. Or else you can use a mass transport like buses, metro, like that. You need not go for vehicle. Every month spending 30,000. If after 1 year, every yearly 3,60,000. 3 years means 10 lakhs. You are spending for 10 lakhs. If you may need vehicle only once in a week or maximum twice in a week. One more this submission comes from the bankers. If your spouse, both husband and wife are working, employees, you give 2 vehicles to 2 of them. They will say in such a way, if your friends and relatives comes, you can use your vehicle, and if your spouse, friends and relatives comes, they also can use their vehicle. But that is only once in a week like that, once in a year, once in a month like that. For that purpose, for that ownership image, it is not advisable to have 2 vehicles for a family of 2 people or 3 people like that. You maintain the image, but the image should not damage your future and happiness first. So that is important. Don't go to purchase a vehicle beyond your limits. All loan limits put together should not be more than 20% of your income. Let it be car loan, let it be personal loan, let it be credit card, let it be housing loan also. What is the purpose of this 20% means? The balance you can use for savings, after savings, tax payments, savings, education, and also happy life, and you can have something more also to surplus. Otherwise, you have to live always on credit cards or loans to repay and to maintain the vehicles. And suppose the vehicle is also like that. If you use the vehicle for 1 year, the value will reduce by at least 25%. If you use for 2 years, it will reduce by 50%. So you cannot get the value of sale value also. You will not get the value also. So what is the use? What is the purpose? It is you need not convince, you do not satisfy the other people who wants to see you. Nobody have time enough to think about you. They may think for 5 minutes a day or 5 minutes a month like that. But they will think of themselves. You also think of yourself, not for what the others people will think. Don't think like that. Society doesn't have time to think of you. You have to think of the society only. You be happy, be wealthy, be happy, and be surplus and be comfortable. Need not be luxury. Don't go for luxury. Life is with comfort is acceptable. Life with necessity is miserable. Life with luxury is damageable. Don't go for luxury. Luxury means you are borrowing for spending. Comfort means earning and spending. Necessity means earning, saving for surplus, and spending. That is necessity. So you limit to yourself to comfortable. That is equivalent to your earning, equivalent to your expenditure. Expenditure equivalent to your earning. But don't go for borrowing and spending, which is luxurious, which is dangerous, and kills the happiness, relationship. Maybe temporarily it may build up, but it will damage immediately. Relationship, friendship, family, everybody will damage, and you will become untouchable for many people like that.